Welcome to this gorgeous Renaissance home, ideally located in a sought-after Lake Oswego neighborhood near the Tualatin River, Bridgeport Village, and just blocks from several local parks, including Canal Acres Nature Park. This traditional home of more than 3,200 square feet is beautifully designed with high-end finishes throughout. Custom built-ins and a box beam ceiling frame the spacious great room. It opens to the gourmet kitchen with a 6x4-foot honed slab granite island, stainless steel appliances, a stylish backsplash, and 2 pantries, including a butler's pantry. Entertain in the formal dining room, wrapped in elegant wainscoting. And you'll find a convenient main floor office or bedroom, plus a main level full bath. Upstairs, escape to your large master suite with a sumptuous master bath, including a soaking tub, separate vanities, and a large shower. A loft area with built-ins is the perfect work or study flex space. Plus, you'll find a large bonus room. Completing the upper level, you'll find 3 more bedrooms, another full bath, and the laundry room. The covered patio and fully fenced flat backyard provide plenty of space to entertain and play. The oversized garage with lots of extra storage includes a built-in workbench and a custom mud bench just inside from the garage entry. An exceptional opportunity for a beautiful Renaissance home in a fantastic Lake Oswego neighborhood. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.